And that's why I'm going to, because not only these people, right, get something out of their home that's being taken, but I'm also a little bit of money on it too. And that's, in my world, that's a perfect scenario.
Perfect.
But I loved it. It was so hard not to smile in that moment. That lady,
dude.
Well, who would do that? Me.
Right. You like, dude. So you know what that just told you? You ever heard of the red ocean, blue ocean theory?
No, sir.
Red ocean, man. It's all red, all bloody and shit because all the predators are all over there eating up all the prey, man. Wholesaling, traditional fix and flips, buying whole, hard money, let it go, borrow money, all that shit. Blue ocean, on the other hand, man, it's nice and blue, like this background, man. You can see nice clear water, plenty of food everywhere, man, because there's no predators over there, man. There's no predators. So the predators that are over there, they got their pick, man. They're just chilling. Max, dude, she just literally told you, like, who would do that? So you're in a blue ocean, man. So now that also gives you the opportunity to set yourself apart. So using that power statement, we have a unique way of partnering with property owners to help them to pull money out of their property. That's perfect for that tax redemption, because if it's a low amount, dude, somebody tried to buy the fucking taxes on the red tag house that I did. When I went and paid the back taxes, it was a little bit higher because they had that auction and somebody bought them. So, but it was right when they bought them. So it was like only like $60 interest or whatever. But you can go to the homeowner though and let them know that, dude, with that power statement, dude. Oh my God, they'd be happy to. I can get some money out. Well, yeah, you've got to take certain steps. Most people don't know about this. This is some stuff that really the government does not advertise because, they don't want people to know, right? We, the people, we have all these rights. Well, look what just happened because of these back taxes. Well, you can give them, and sometimes depending on the vibe, I'll even say this with the prospect, you can give them one last fuck you. It's one last fuck you to the bank. Well, this is one last fuck you to downtown there at the county office and whatever rich person went and bought your back taxes and think they're making some money off your shit.
I love it.
Not anymore. And you're gonna make $5,000, dude. You can get $150,000 house for freaking peanuts, dude. $15,000.
I'm a go